Hey guys, Midwest Fishing Bros. Today we have a tackle warehouse unboxing, and the main reason why we got it is because next week we are going to the Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. So we got some stuff for that, and just a couple things we needed to stock up on. So we'll get into it. We spent $80, I believe, $86.71. So I'll go ahead and start. I'll start with the boring stuff, the terminal tackle. We got a free sticker. So I got VMC Wacky Hook and 2/0. VMC Flippin' Hook 4/0. Big Bite Baits. This is the stand-up fin twist head. You get 4 of them, and they're black. And 6 cents peg stoppers. So I'll go ahead and let Dylan do a couple.
I've got the Lucky Craft and the T.O. Gill. It goes to 10 feet deep. It's got like a purple and chartreuse. There you
go. I'm pretty sure these are mine. V&M, the V&M Delta Bug and Watermelon Candy. I've never tried V&M before, but I thought I'd give them a try.
Those are pretty sick. I got the Davis bait and X-Swim underspin. This is in the Tennessee shad. And I also got the same one, the X-Swim by Davis Bait and Albino.
And these were on sale, $1.99. They were the V&M Flippin' Hog in Watermelon Red in an 8-pack. I'll go ahead and take one out.
I've got the Gambler, Why Not, and June Bug. I see all kinds of videos, the guys in Florida, and then, punching, and they're a little profile. They're pretty cool.
I didn't know these were going to be so small. The Super Salt Plus Baby Brush Hog in Okeechobee Craw. I'll take one out for you. I thought these were supposed to be 4 inches. I don't know. These look really small.
I fish a lot of missile baits and the and the deep bomb. This is a toxic grape, which has got purple and watermelon all together. There's that purple, and there's that green watermelon.
I really like the KVD Perfect Plastics, the rodent. This is in blue craw color and 4 inches.
I got the Biffle Bug by Jeannie Baroo, and this is in peanut butter jelly.
Reaction Innovations Kinky Beaver and Hematoma. It's a really nice color.
And I got the Power Team lures. It's a Hawkonic. The spray. Well, my brother's got Power Team lures, you know, just in packet, and they smell really garlic and crazy smell of it. And then I thought I should buy like a bottle and then spray it in my, you know, my baits and see if they work. And then so there it is.
Reaction Innovations Double Wide Beaver 5.2. This is in Magic Cross Swirl. And last but not least, we have the Strike King Red Eye Shad, and this is in Neon Bluegill. I'll go ahead and take that out for you. Really nice pattern on there. And that pretty much wraps it up. I got a Bass Pro Shops order coming as well. I'll do an unboxing for that. I had a $10 off coupon, so I figured I might as well spend it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. We'll have more fishing videos up on our channel, and we'll be doing lots of fishing in the Ozarks when we go next week. So stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you.